So to further continue, after seeing the market, we will see how this OBD adoption and the various statistics are getting affected because thanks to emission regulations. This is a very brief lesson, but it is important we go through it. Now, emission regulations are primary driver for adoption, widespread implementation of OBD systems in the vehicles. Here's how emission regulations influence OBD adoption and related statistics. Now, coming to the regulatory mandate and compliance, the legal requirements in markets like United States, the Clean Air Act, and similar legislation throughout the world to meet the emission standards, emission standards driven by EPA and California board mandate recalls and levy significant fines for non-compliance. Okay, so it is not only mandated, but in case of any non-compliance, heavy penalties are imposed or enforced on the vehicle manufacturers. And OBD as a compliance tool, the OBD systems are mandated because they continuously monitor emissions related components and systems, ensuring real world compliance, not just laboratory test results. All right, so these OBD tools must perform at their utmost efficacy not only in lab but also in the real world, also in the real road. So this is crucial since it is the very purpose of this OBD is to ensure public health in the real world. Now, impact on inspection and maintenance programs. State and local programs. In US, 33 state and local areas required by Clean Air Act to conduct vehicle inspection and maintenance program to control emissions and meet air quality standards. Most of these programs now incorporate OBD checks as component, replacing and supplementing traditional tailpipe testing. Okay, so along with the traditional tailpipe testing, OBD checks have become a kind of a regular checkpoint. Now, coming to timely and accurate emission data, OBD enables technicians and vehicle owners to receive early warnings about emissions, system failure, promoting timely repairs and reducing harmful pollutants. Okay, so with the help of OBD, technicians and vehicle owners receive early warnings, and with the help of the warning or thanks to the warning, the owner will ensure the harmful pollutants are subsided. Now, coming to the statistical justification, now all this expenditure is okay, but in the business sense, is it statistically justified? The answer is a resounding yes. When it comes to market growth, the demand for OBD and emission control solutions is projected to rise by 3.42% over the next 5 years, reflecting regulatory pressure and the need for smaller diagnostics. Now, coming to improved compliance rates, the implementation of the OBD based IM programs has been shown uh, to improve compliance with emission standards and reduce the number of high emitting vehicles on the road. And when it comes to penalties and enforcement, fines for emission compliance can reach up to 45,268 per vehicle in US, underscoring the financial incentive for the manufacturers to equip vehicles with robust systems. So the fear of this much penalty is driving the manufacturers to compulsorily equip the vehicles with robust OBD systems. And coming to environmental and public health benefits, one is reduced emissions. Of course, this is by default, and also continuous monitoring. This is also something which you can take for granted as far as this OBD is concerned. Okay, by constant monitoring, you can keep a track of the component deterioration and tampering that could otherwise go undetected. Now, in summary, the emission regulations have made OBD systems indispensable for vehicle compliance, inspection, and maintenance. These regulations not only mandate the use of OBD but also drive technological improvements and market growth, resulting in a cleaner vehicles, better air quality, and significant public health benefits. So, there is both incentive and also fear to adopt these OBD systems by the OEMs, and this is resulting in better air quality and a significant public health improvement. All right. Thank you.